Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix iPhone alarm sound problem on any iPhone. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just increase the sound of your iPhone using the volume up button. Just like that. Or you can swipe down from the top right of the screen, and from here you can increase the volume using this slider. Now after you do that, in the control center, just tap and hold on the focus mode. Now, if Do Not Disturb mode or any other focus mode is enabled on your iPhone, just tap on it to turn it off. Now, after that, just go to your home screen and open Settings. In Settings, just tap on Sounds and Haptics, and from here, just make sure you increase the ringtone and alert slider. Just like that. Now, if this did not fix your issue, just go back. Now, in the main settings page, just tap on Bluetooth. Now, if Bluetooth is enabled on your iPhone, just turn this toggle off and turn off Bluetooth on your iPhone. Sometimes when Bluetooth is enabled on your iPhone might connect to your AirPods or to any other external speaker, and this is why alarm sound might not be coming out of your iPhone speakers. Now, after you turn off Bluetooth, then force restart your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Now just press and hold the power button until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the power button. And this is how you can fix alarm sound problem on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.